is our last beat, and it's in a lot of really cool songs. It looks like it's not as hard as a lot of the other ones, but it can kind of trip us up. No pun intended with Trip by LMA. But let's try this one. So we're going to have bass, snare, bass, snare. After you've been doing a bunch of stuff that fills up space, it can kind of be challenging to actually play something really simple like this. Let's keep that going just for a minute. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Awesome. Great. Now let's try it with our hands and we'll put it all together. Sing that bass drum part. Boom, boom. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Add it in when you're ready. Very nice. Boom, boom. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and. Another kind of stretch. Once you get comfortable with this, it's common to want to rush the and of 2, that bass drum, that second bass drum hit. Look at me doing that. 1, 2, and. So sometimes, let's stop for a second because I want to demonstrate this and not trip you up. There I go, punning again. Okay, so a lot of people will go 1, 2, and they just want to get there like as fast as they can because they know it's coming up next. We want it to just be right in line with our motor. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. No rush. And same thing with our snare drum on beat 4. And boom, boom, and down. Boom, boom, up, down. Boom, boom, up, down. So you'll see that my hand just moves up like half a beat before. And same with my leg if I'm getting ready for that and of 2. Very nice. 4, 3, 2, 1.